I am Krishnendu from Digimart. So today we will learn how to create subdomain and how to install Wordpress. So before installation, we will try to understand what is subdomain, domain, and what is WordPress. Before discuss about domain and subdomain, I will discuss a little bit about Bluehost. Actually, I am using a Bluehost platform. Bluehost is a service provider who have only provide domain and hosting for the design of your website. And next, I'll come to the domain. Domain is DNS, domain name service, which is only resolution the name of the domain. Like that, I have a mobile number and I have sent you my contact number, and you try to remember my mobile number as a name, and name is Krishnendu. So domain name is Krishnendu and mobile number is a IP address. So that is domain, and subdomain is the part of domain. First domain is the main domain, or that is primary domain, and after primary domain, if I create any domain, that is subdomain. We are also create subdomain as well. As we'll come more details discuss about this in the practical session. So, and WordPress is the platform for where website will design. Okay, so let's start, and we'll try to installation and subdomain. So let's go and we'll see.
So this is the Bluehost page, login page. After login, you can get this page. So what we will do, we will go to domain. Okay, so click the domain, and you can see here so many options is there: my domain, purchase domain, assign, redirect, transfer, and subdomain. So we will go to subdomain option because we are going to create a subdomain. So click here, and you can see right side add subdomain. So click here, add subdomain, and now this is the table where we will create the subdomain. Okay, so this is the subdomain. If I create here one thing, this is the subdomain and this is the primary domain, or this is main domain actually. So if you want to create, if you click here, so you can get another domain also. This is my primary domain, and this is suchok.christian.com. this is also my subdomain and primary domain. If you select this, and here if I give anything, so it will get subdomain subdomain dot main domain. How? So I will see. If you create subdomain whatever, so we will process is same. So I will select my primary domain, and after that I will select here so this is my subdomain name, and this is main domain, and add subdomain. Click here. So wait, taking just little bit time. So now your subdomain is create. This is very simple, so you can easily create now. Now we will see how to install WordPress. So let's go and we'll check. So go to my site and site, create a new site. So next, so now you can see here site has been created. So there is the 4 option: blog, store, business, resume, portfolio, which purpose you want to create. So if you choose here, you can select, or other than you can skip. And this is the credential option after WordPress installation. So you can copy here, or other than you can get the message of your email ID. Go back to my site and login into WordPress. I will go with login into WordPress. So this is the process. Without cpanel you can install. So now you can see this is the WordPress platform. So you can install any themes, DB themes, Elementor, Generate Page Key, whatever you can install here, and you can start off your web design. So thank you so much watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.